Hi guys, just wanted to give a quick tutorial on the Sprint Booster pedal lock feature. The actual booster is very simple to operate. As you can see, I turned the vehicle on and it stays in your last setting after off, so you don't have to touch it and reconfigure it after every off. So it's a set it and forget it device. But currently green means sport mode. You can go from 1 to 9. I like 8. I don't know, it's your preference. But you cycle through it. That's race mode, same thing, 1 to 9. And then you can turn it off, which is really great. Not a lot of products you can do that with, so you can feel the difference in real time. But I always keep mine on. So let's say you're wanting to arm the pedal for an added peace of mind security device. You hold both these arrows down and you select L for lock. You can also select P for parking, which is the valet mode, rarely if ever used. So lock, hit enter, and then you select your code. Something that you and your spouse, if you're married, both will remember. So let's just do for the test 0, 0, 0. That's your 3-digit PIN. Now if you wait for this L to blink 10 seconds, let's say you forget what you just did, hit it any time, it'll automatically stop the process. But let's arm it. And right now the gas is on. It's working. You can hear the engine revving. So we hit lock, do 0, 0, 0, very quick, and then it blinks for 10 seconds while it's arming. When it stops blinking, your pedal is armed. And I will hit it once it stops. There it goes. My foot's on the gas, you can tell because it's the little light's flickering. When I let off, it'll stop. See? So there's nothing there. And even if the thief rips this thing out, it'll still stay armed. You can lock it, remove the controller from the pedal assembly, it'll still stay armed. It's a great security feature. And it does have lockout protection if you do forget your PIN number. And that's all in the directions, and I can also help with that too. Great security feature. I highly recommend it. You're jumping out to go get something in a gas station real quick and it's hot outside or cold outside, you don't want to turn the car off. You can even leave your keys in the car. That's how much I trust this product, and it's really great. Whether it's performance or security, I think you guys are going to love it. And just a note to unarm the device, same thing. Hold both buttons, hit your code or your PIN, wait a second for unlock, boom. Good to go. Enjoy it. Thanks guys. Bye.